One newbie, one dynasty. If you're looking for a 360 camera, you've definitely come across two names, DJI and Insta360. Both promise stunning 8K footage, innovative shooting settings, and the magical shoot now, frame later freedom, but which brand merits a place in your purse when money is on the line? Today we're putting DJI's Osmo360 against Insta360's 1-2 punch, the premium X5 and the budget-friendly X4Air to finally decide. We'll go into design, image quality, features, durability, and pricing. Let's get to it. Design and build. These stand out right away due to their size. Insta360's X4Air is the lightest of the group, weighing only 165 grams, the same as an iPhone Air and more than 20 grams lighter than DJI's Osmo360. It's substantially smaller than the larger X5, which weighs 200 grams. The X4Air is the most pocketable camera that can still film in 8K. However, this is only the first round and DJI isn't giving up just yet. Sensor and image quality. Here's where things get interesting. Sensor size does the hard lifting. Both the Osmo360 and the X5 have larger sensors than the X4Air's tiny 1 and 1.8-inch chip. In bright, high-contrast scenarios, the tiny X4Air performs admirably, producing punchy, usable footage. But pause and zoom in and the X5 takes the lead with finer detail and richer, more vibrant colors. Push into the mountains or a gloomy room and the gap becomes a canyon. The X4Air becomes louder and darker while the X5's dedicated low-light mode keeps everything clean. For pure quality, larger sensors dominate. HDR and dynamic range. Now for the plot twist. The cheap X4Air outperforms its more expensive sister in one respect. It is the only camera here that shoots active HDR in full 8K. The X5 limits HDR to 5.7K, while DJI's Osmo360 falls short as well. Even better, the X4Air can run HDR and adaptive tone simultaneously in 8K, something the 3-chip X5 cannot accomplish. This is a rather remarkable flex for such a low-cost camera. Slow motion and shooting modes. Do you love slow motion? The X5 fights back with 4K at 120 frames per second, whereas the X4Air tops out at 50 FPS in 6K, which is fine but not cinematic. All three include entertaining features like single lens mode, the invisible selfie stick effect, and Instaframe style photography. Just know that the X5 includes the nicer Instaframe 2.0 and virtual gimbal mode, which the cheaper camera does not. Durability and ecosystem. This is where the DJI stumbles. Both Insta360 cameras have an undetectable diving case that allows for 360 underwater footage. The Osmo360 does not, hence it is limited to single-lens images below the surface. Insta360 also allows you to replace a scratched lens cover yourself using a simple kit, unlike the Osmo360, which requires you to mail it in for repair. With Insta360's superb editing software, the ecosystem divide becomes very real. Advantage: Insta360. Battery and overheating. Worried about a little camera overheating in 8K? Do not be. Both Insta360 models can handle 8K 30 for more than an hour. The X4Air for about 1 hour 25 minutes and the X5 for about 1 hour and 36 minutes. Both are unlikely to abandon you mid-adventure, thus this round is effectively a tie. If you're going out for extended shooting days, either one has the stamina to keep going. Accessories and audio. The extras are more important than you believe. Both Insta360 cameras are compatible with the same extensive range of mounts, selfie sticks, and diving cases, allowing your equipment to grow alongside you. The X5 has one advantage: it has an ND filter for slower shutter speeds and natural motion blur, whereas the X4Air does not. For sound, bypass the built-in mics and get the Insta360 Mic Pro. With its sleek e-ink display, it's the greatest audio upgrade for any camera and transforms rough clips into clean, usable film. Price. Finally, let's discuss money. The X4Air is a fantastic value at $299, making it the most affordable high-quality 8K 360 camera available. The X5 has been reduced to $435, the lowest price it has ever reached. Both are strongly positioned against DJI right now, and that value is difficult to overlook. So, DJI or Insta360? If you want the lightest body, the cheapest route to 8K, plus clever HDR trickery, the X4Air is your budget champion. If you want the highest image quality, low-light performance, and silky slow motion, the X5 is worth the extra cost. DJI's Osmo360 is great, but it lacks an undetectable diving case and swappable lens covers, so the Insta360 remains the best option. Honestly, it all depends on how you shoot. Which would you choose? Please leave a comment to let us know. If you found this comparison informative, please like and subscribe to Legit Pick for more straightforward tech analysis. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.